Hi, I'm Chuck with King Electric Tech Support. Today we're going to talk about how to replace the thermostat display on a King KB ECO2S heater. The first step is to turn off the circuit breaker that corresponds with your heater. Now that the lid is open, let's ensure there's no power to the unit. Now we are ready to take off the display. Now it's time to change the thermostat display panel. You will see that it is secured with 4 loaded tabs molded into the plastic display. Next, resecure the ribbon connector to the PCB power board. Now, let's close it up. That's it. You have now successfully installed the new display. If you're not comfortable with working with electricity, we recommend calling a local electrician to perform the installation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment. If you have any questions, you can email us at tech@king-electric.com.